In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect earbuds to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Assuming that you have earbuds that must be connected over Bluetooth, connecting them to a PlayStation 5 can be quite tricky. This is because for whatever reason, even as of today with the PlayStation 5 Pro and all of these different updates and models, the PlayStation 5 doesn't support Bluetooth audio accessories, so you cannot connect them natively. This means that you must use an adapter. It is extremely sad to hear. Even if you have Sony branded earbuds, you cannot connect them to your PlayStation 5 wirelessly. What you have to do is use one of these Bluetooth adapters. You can find them on places like Amazon. In this example, I'm showcasing this U-Green USB Bluetooth adapter. But of course, you can find them from other brands and other manufacturers for possibly cheap. U-Green is an established brand, high quality maker of different adapters and cables, so this is the one that I would recommend. But like I said before, you can find cheaper alternatives. And as the name suggests, what this is going to do is plug into the USB-C port of your PlayStation 5, so you plug it into any of the available ports, and by doing this, your earbuds will pair up wirelessly with this dongle instead of the PlayStation 5. All of the audio being output on the PlayStation 5 will go over to the dongle and consequently your earbuds. So pairing it up is simple. You press this button at the back. The LED here is going to start blinking, indicating that it is looking for devices to pair with, and then all that you have to do is set your earbuds into pairing mode. This will usually be done by taking them out of the case or by tapping on a specific location on the case. Once they are in pairing mode and you have the dongle installed, you press the button and it is looking for nearby devices. It is going to pair itself up right away, so the light will remain stable, allowing you to listen to all of the audio from the PlayStation 5 with your earbuds. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.